If you're looking for an easy way to support your daily wellness, Leefar Women's Probiotic Gummies are worth checking out. These pineapple-flavored gummies combine a probiotic and prebiotic blend with slippery elm, creating a convenient formula designed with women's wellness in mind. The biggest advantage is how simple they are to add to your routine. No large capsules and no complicated preparation. The product is also marketed as a gentle option for supporting everyday balance and comfort. The taste and gummy format may make it easier to stay consistent compared with traditional supplements. However, results can vary from person to person, and supplements aren't a replacement for medical care. Overall, Leefar Women's Probiotic is a convenient and enjoyable option for anyone interested in adding probiotics and slippery elm to their wellness routine. Just check the ingredient label and follow the recommended serving instructions. For its easy format and thoughtful combination of ingredients, I'd give it an 8 out of 10.